this is Paul Lester. Just wanted to show you today how to go about creating a page within Facebook. It's quite simple to do, but there are quite a lot of moves, so we'll go through it step by step. And there's various places to find how to actually get into the first stages of creating a page. You can sometimes find it at the bottom of any other page. There's a link, and now this has stopped working. We'll carry on. If I drag this down quickly, at the bottom it will say create a page there, but unfortunately unless you get it quick, this will refresh and take you down to some more posts like that. If you can't do it that way, we go back up to the top, and we can see here down the left hand side there's a tab that says more. If we click on that, it then brings up a list of different things, and there's a list of pages here. Again, that says more there. If we click on that, then we can see here it brings up a list of my pages. Some of these are obsolete now, which I don't do anymore, but here is a tab called create page, so we can just click on there, and that brings us into here. This is the start of the actual creating the page itself. So we need to decide what sort of page we want to create. Is it a local business or a place, a company, an organisation or institution, a brand or a product, a cause or a community, entertainment, or artist, band or public figure? Well, in this instance I'm going to create a brand or product, and then we need to choose the category, and for this one I'm going to choose product stroke service. And then we need to give it a name, so this one is going to be called Paul Lester 6-figure mentors. So I've got both my own name in there and the title of the actual product or the services that we are linked to. Agree to the terms and conditions and click get started. Okay, so that now brings us into this page here where we need to upload an image either from the computer or if you've got a suitable image from your website. Now this really needs to be a picture of yourself, because people buy from people, as we know, so they need to know who they're dealing with, but also something which is relating to the business. So there's one that I prepared a while ago which I did in Publisher. Quite easy to produce in there, so I'm not going into that, but we'll see if we can find the image here. It's in here somewhere. SFM header. Just hope it's about the right size, if not we'll have to go back and change it, because I didn't test this before. And there we are. So I've got the SFM and a picture, contact telephone numbers and a picture of myself. We can now continue. Right, the next stage is to invite some people to get the ball rolling and have a look at your page. So you can invite friends and you can invite contacts from your email lists. Now I'm not going to do this at this moment in time. Nothing personal, but I don't want you to see all my contacts and all my friends. So we'll click on the next bit, and I'll come back and do this later. And the next stage now is to add some more information. So we need to add a website in here. So I'll put my my blog site in here. Forgot what it was for a second. And then we need to tell everybody a bit about what the site is. It says 255 characters, but there's no point in overdoing it because people get bored reading stuff. Now I've just prepared something in Word before I did this, so I'll just paste it in here. And that's it. Just a basic introduction to the site, and then we can continue again. And we have the getting started page here where you can, again, it's asking you to invite friends, tell your fans, and other stuff, so you can go ahead and fill all those different bits and pieces in. But what we need to do is we need to add a welcome page. This is a page where your visitors will land on first of all when they come to your site, and basically we'll offer them something. What I want to do is I want to create a page where people will be offered to fill in the usual web form with the name and email address, and it will give them access to the 7-day bootcamp. They'll also be able to put comments and things on there when they've entered their information. And the way we do that is you need to download. Okay, so now we've got to this stage, and you can see this is the getting started page. This page will stay here until you fill in all the other information on here. But apart from that, what I want to show you is how to actually make this look like a decent page, and as I said, where you can put information to attract people, and you can also put a web form on there to get started adding free names to your list, free marketing on here. So you know, put the web form on and drive traffic to it. There is a widget that you need to, a program that you need to add to this, and if I just put it in here for you, I've already downloaded it, but I'll show you. It's the IWIPA website. So you need to download this program. I'm not going to go into showing you how exactly to use it, because it gives you all the information. There are training videos on the site. There's a free version which is quite adequate for what we want, or there is a paid version which I think is something like $9 a month or $99 for the year. Just see if this program loads up. It's not going to load up for me this morning. Seem to be having some problems. Oh, there we go. Right, so the demo page, there's install, different things on here, but there's loads of videos showing you exactly how to use it. So all you've got to do is like it, and then download this program onto your page. The things are coming up now. So video tutorials, install, and there's just a button here to click to install it straight away, and then just go through the videos and you can install all sorts of different things to make it look, to make your Facebook page actually look like a website. Very, very clever. And if I go to the Firefox, the other thing is to open it in Firefox. You won't be able to edit it unless you're using Firefox. And then this is the finished thing. So I just did a quick one here, put this together. Welcome to our page, a bit about the six-figure mentors, what it can do, and here we have the web form. There we go. I hope it helps. As I say, I think everybody should have a page set up for the six-figure mentors, and start driving traffic to it. It's free. Go and do it.